your girl, Pink Jeep Kiki, and today we are going to a pink Jeep. Well, it's not a pink Jeep event. It is a pink car event. So all the pink cars are supposed to be here. We'll see how well it turns out because this is in Lisle, Illinois, and the big pink Jeep event usually happens in Florida. And I really wanted to go this year, but of course I have no days. I ain't had no time off, whatever. This is in breast cancer awareness, so that's that. And so I hopefully it's a good turnout, but either way, it's gonna be tacos there and it's gonna be boba. So I've never tried boba before, so I'm gonna try that, and then we're gonna have some good tacos. So I've been invited here, so that's how I kind of learned about it. And the people reached out to me actually and said, hey, we want you to come. So I was like, you know what, let me come, even though I kind of didn't feel like it. And I actually was supposed to wear pink today, but I didn't. So this is my pink contribution along with the pink Jeep. And you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I would have dressed up, but I just didn't feel like it, you know? It's just one of those days. But anyway, let's go because it starts at 6 and it's like 5:30 right now. So, let's go. So we made it to the pink Jeep. Well, I keep on saying Jeep. Well, you know, we made it to the pink car event, guys. Yo, honestly, I've been thinking about, like, if I would get like another pink car in the future, like I would probably get something that's like not like a gas guzzler. So maybe like I would get like a Toyota and then like turn it pink or something like that. So this could be like my inspiration in the future. Maybe I get a pink Toyota. Okay, what's good on gas? Let me know. What should I get? Okay, we got pineapple and strawberry boba, or well, strawberry fruit tea, and then the pineapple and strawberry boba at the bottom. I got the popping boba if that makes a difference. Let's see.
Good things will happen.
Oh, yeah, it went in my mouth. It just bust in my mouth.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's decent.
It is?
Better than what I was expecting.
The boba, the popping of it, it's weird, but it's good though, as far as a drink.
Gotta admit it, that boy Russell did it. Tacos is good. Boba was okay. I could do without the popping boba. And I see some cute cars tonight, so it's a win. Let's go.